ePET newsletters are used to send important information such as health news and tips, updates on your practice information, new product or service introductions, as well as special offers or promotions. To configure your newsletters, there are 3 locations that you can access. You can go to the cogwheel under Newsletters Sent, the Send a Newsletter option at the bottom, or if you go over to the left side of your screen under Outreach, you can select Newsletters. Under the Filters tab, you can use the settings below to filter your newsletter's audience. Each demographic can be expanded or collapsed by using the plus or minus sign. For instance, if you'd like to filter by client types, you could expand to view client types, and use the checkboxes to control who receives the newsletter, or uncheck if you'd like to exclude. You can also enable or disable all with the checkbox at the top of each menu. All of the accordion menus work the same way, so if you want to filter by similar breed, you could expand the menu, select your audience by breed, or enable or disable all. As seen here, breeds will be available for each species in your practice management software. You can also filter by gender, checking those you wish to include or unchecking those you wish to exclude. Or you can filter by a pet's age by putting in a range for the birth dates, or selecting from a life stage grouping. Once you have selected your parameters, click Get Email Count. This will show you the number of total eligible clients with email addresses matching your search criteria. It will also show the email count of how many newsletters will actually be sent based on your pet owner's email subscriptions. Next, you can configure your newsletter. The sender field defaults to your practice name. The reply email field defaults to your practice's profile email address. The email subject field will automatically appear as your practice name - newsletter. This is something we recommend customizing for each newsletter based on its topic. You can build your own newsletter from scratch or use one of our pre-written templates on a variety of topics. If you click on the drop-down arrow under Templates, you can see we have several to choose from. Our pre-written templates include great seasonal content including allergies, obesity, canine heartworm, and more. Each template provides additional information about the disease and prevention. You can even include a video on the same topic by selecting one from the drop-down menu. In this example, we can supplement the canine heartworm disease email with a related video. After selecting the video, scroll down to the message and place the cursor where you would like the video link to appear, then click Insert. The link for that video will be included in your newsletter. You can also include images. If you've uploaded images previously, you will have a selection in your dropdown. Otherwise, click Add. Then browse your computer and find the image you would like to add. Click Upload once you've selected the image and it will be available in the dropdown. To insert the image, again, place the cursor where you would like the image to appear, and then click Insert. Once you have selected a template, you can customize the template's verbiage as you see fit. Just highlight the section you wish to change and type over it. You can also delete or add to existing verbiage. One template we recommend selecting and customizing is the Welcome template. Here, it's called Introducing ePET. There's also an Introducing ePET and Home Delivery template if your practice is launching both ePET and VetSource simultaneously. The template itself walks your clients through the benefits of having an ePET portal and how they can begin using their portal by creating their password and logging in for the first time. To customize your Welcome template, select it and then use the word editor to personalize the content. Once you have made your changes to the newsletter, be sure to select Save As and give your template a new name for future use. We recommend giving the template an easily identifiable name, such as your practice's name - welcome. Now that your Welcome newsletter has been saved, we recommend enabling it under the Welcome Newsletter template dropdown. To do this, choose the template and click Save. Welcome newsletters can be sent automatically to new email addresses entered in your practice management software. To enable automatic welcome newsletters, go to the My Practice menu and General Settings. Here you will find the checkbox to enable welcome newsletters. Once checked, be sure to click Update to save the changes. Your clients will now begin receiving welcome newsletters as their emails are added to your practice management software database. Anytime you wish to send a new newsletter, check out a variety of topics available. Again, any template you select can be customized, or you can start fresh by selecting the 4-column classic or the 4 fresh template. You can also select a blank template and build completely from scratch. You can insert your own HTML if you have created it separately in the HTML source editor. Let's select another template and send a newsletter. If nothing needs to be changed and you don't require any additional images or videos, ensure that your subject line is correct, then double check your text. For example, you can add your phone number or additional contact information to the signature of the email. Before sending an email to your clients, we recommend sending a test email to yourself to see the newsletter as it will appear when sent. The test email will automatically be sent to the reply to email address, so be sure to have the correct email address in that field before clicking Send Test Email. Once you have sent and reviewed the test email and you are ready to send it to your clients, be sure to verify the correct email address is in the Reply To field before sending. You can click Get Email Count to confirm exactly how many emails will be sent. Finally, click Send Emails and your clients will receive the newsletter. If you ever have questions or need help configuring your settings, you can contact our support team.